So hello friends, you all are welcome on this YouTube channel. This question has been asked in your ESE 2002 examination. It is a control system signal flow graph. So find the number of forward paths and the number of non-touching loop pairs, right? Number of forward paths and the number of non-touching loop pairs in the given signal flow graph, right? So this is a signal flow graph, right? And just analyze this, have a close look at it. So we start the control system with the basics of open loop and closed loop, and then after block diagrams and signal flow graphs, right? So here in this question, this is a signal flow graph which is given to you. So RS, this is the reference input, right? That is the standard notation for the input in control system. RS is the reference input and CS is a controlled output, right? That is the standard notation for output, right, in control system. So now here these are the various paths which are given to you. So first of all, you have to find out number of forward paths, right? You have to find forward paths, right? You have to find forward paths and then find non-touching loop pairs, right? Remember, pair you have to calculate, right? So out of ABCD, only one option is correct, that you have to choose the correct option after solving this question. So you have to start from the reference input and you have to go to the control output, right? So these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, these are the respective gains of various paths, right? And arrow indicate the direction, right? So I'm going to start from reference input. My aim is to reach up to this control output. So see, look here, I will start from here and I will travel straight forward, right? So this is one forward path. That means forward paths, first forward path that I can see is AD, this is D, ADFI, right? ADFI, that means state, this is state one, right? So one forward path is A, D, F and I, right? Next forward path you can see, you start from here and you cannot go like this because direction is like this. So either you go like this or you go like this in the direction of arrow, right? So A and then E, right? This path you have already covered, right? So another forward path will be A and then E and then F and then I, right? A, E, F, I, A, E, F, I, A, E, F and I, right? So write another forward path. A, E, F, I, right? Do you see any other forward path? Answer is yes. You just have a close look at it. Start from here A and then H in the direction of arrow you have to travel. So A, H and I, right? Like this, A, H and I, A, H and I. So this is another forward path, A, right, H and I, right? This is another forward path. Do you see any other forward path? Answer is no. You cannot find any other forward path by any means, right? We have covered all the possibilities, right? Now let us start. So tell me how many number of forward paths are there. Total forward path are in the given signal flow graph are 3, right? This is one forward path, this is another, this is another. So 1, 2 and 3, total 3 forward paths are there, right? Now how many loops? See, so how many loops are there? So again have a close look at it. So this is one loop, readily I can see here I start from here and I will go in the direction of arrowhead and I travel and I will reach to the same point, right? So the condition of loop is that, condition of formation of loop is that you must not cross the same node again, right? So that means I start from here and I travel like this and I again come back to the same node, right? That means I'm not crossing this node, but this completes a loop, right? So this is one loop, like this is one loop, its gain is B, right? Now another loop that you can find is, you can see here this D and then C, right? D and C. Another loop that you can see is F and G, right? Another loop you can see, do you see any other loop? You cannot travel like this because arrow is like this. You can also not travel like this, so this is also not a loop. So this loop is touching this particular loop, right? This loop is again this is another loop, F and G, right? So you have to calculate number of non-touching, right? Non-touching loop pairs, right? So non-touching loop will be this one and this one. See, this is F and this is G. So F and G, FG, right? You will find one more loop, D and C, but this is touching this and this also. So you will not take this middle loop. So that means these two loops are non-touching, and that you have to find out number of non-touching. So how many loop pairs which are non-touching? Answer is one pair, B and FG, right? B and FG are such non-touching loop pairs. You have to find out pairs, right? So how many pairs? Only one pair, right? Only one pair. Do you see any other possibility? Just check out. Answer is no. No other possibility exists. So which option is correct? Forward part 3, pairs is 1. Non-touching loop pair is 1. So option C is correct. 3 and 1. Option C is correct, right? So C is the correct option, right? Forward paths are 3. Non-touching loop pair is 1. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. For all such kind of questions, you can subscribe to this channel. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.